When it comes to your complexion, nothing looks more beautiful than healthy, glowing, and radiant skin. If you're sick of wrinkles, enlarged pores, dry patches, blackheads, and that uneven skin tone, it's time to bring your skin to life with Microderm GLO. The Microderm GLO patented Diamond Safe 3D technology uses a breakthrough treatment of diamond exfoliation combined with a smooth suction action to gently buff away those unhealthy layers of skin, invigorate your complexion, and promote the growth of healthy new cells. Gone are the days of spending thousands on salon dermabrasion appointments. With Microderm GLO, you can start to transform your skin in just 4 minutes per treatment, once or twice per week, from the comfort of your own home. Getting started is easy. First, wash your face and pat dry. Choose your settings using the on-screen display. Remember to start gently and work your way up to more focused sessions. Brace the skin with your free hand and place the diamond tip flat against the skin. Using short, even strokes, gently move the diamond tip across the skin, ensuring that the tip remains flush with the skin. The ergonomic design gives you maximum flexibility in the palm of your hand, so you can complete your treatment with ease. And for all those tough-to-reach areas or sensitive skin, you can switch to the fine diamond tip for a full home-based salon-quality facial. Let's follow a simple treatment on auto mode. Start with your cheeks and stroke from inside outwards. Stroke downwards on your nose, covering the sides and the top. Stroke downwards on your chin and along your jawline. Next, move on to your forehead and stroke from the center outwards on each side. Stroke outwards on the temple and stroke outwards below the eyes. If necessary, stroke downwards between the ear and eye. Whatever you do, don't stroke on the eyelid and stay outside of the eye orbit. And finally, stroke downwards along your entire neck to finish. For best results, use the Facial Steamer Spa Plus before Microderm GLO treatments to unclog your pores and to give your skin a deeper clean. After treatments, be sure to hydrate, repair and moisturize your skin with our Peptide Complex Serum. This active peptide formulation will help restore elasticity and firmness and boost natural collagen production. So, don't spend thousands in salons looking for results. For smooth, soft and radiant skin, get your Microderm GLO today.